Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you all about how my amazing company, eXp Realty, works. Let's get started. Will Mansour here, guys, 17-year vet in the residential real estate industry. I've been coaching people for 12 of those 17 years. I've been with eXp Realty for 1 of those 17 years and was with the same company for 16 of those 17 years. I am a certified training mentor. I really love giving value to people and watching them grow and succeed. That is my reward. I want to get into this, but first, let's subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. I really appreciate you subscribing. And also click the bell for some notifications to get updated when I post content. And one other thing, we have a link down below in the description for our Facebook group. It's called Realtor Success Mastermind. It'll ask you 3 questions. You answer them, and we will let you into this private group, which is full of amazing content, all things real estate. Okay, so let's get into the 3 pillars of income of eXp Realty. All right, so you've decided you want to investigate eXp Realty a little more. You're intrigued. The stock's through the roof. Everybody's talking about it. Where do I start? What do I need to know? Whether I'm a new agent or an experienced agent, these 3 items are definitely things you want to know. And if you want to know anything else about these 3 items, just connect with me. I'd be happy to have a chat with you. No obligations, nothing. There is a stigma that, eXp agents are recruiters. I don't call anybody. I don't recruit anybody. I actually get the calls, and I just educate people on this model. So here we go. Okay, so first pillar of income is the same pillar of income that all big box real estate brokerages offer, and that is chasing buyers and sellers and competing for that transaction. Now, eXp does this just like Remax, Royal LePage, Berkshire Hathaway, Right at Home. They all do this. No question. That is real estate. That if you ask somebody what they do for a living, they chase buyers and sellers and compete for transactions, okay? They're an employee in that sense because you're working for a big box brokerage, you're paying big fees to represent that brand, and whether you like it or not, you might think you're an entrepreneur because you're self-employed and you have freedom and play golf and go on vacations, yada yada. But you're an employee, let's be honest. You're an employee. You're not really building wealth. And so you're an employee of the big box brokerage. But at eXp, you're kind of not that employee because you do have similarities, which we're going to get into in pillar 2 and 3. But with that, you have a $16,000 cap. So you're on an 80-20 split. And once you've paid eXp $16,000, you've earned 80 GCI, you're capped. And then you're on 100% commission for the rest of your calendar year, not the calendar year. So that is really cool, especially if you can cap in the first couple of months. You're on 100% for the rest of the year. It usually takes me a couple of months to cap, and then I'm 100%. That's what happened last year. Really cool. The second pillar of income is the stock. So there's 4 stock awards you can obtain as an eXp agent and 1 voluntary stock program. Let's start with the awards. So when you close your first deal with eXp Realty, you will get a $200 US stock award to buy the stock at a 10% discount. The second stock award, you will get is a $400 stock award. When you introduce somebody to eXp and they close their first deal, you will get a one-time $400 stock award to be purchased at a 10% discount, right? By the way, the first award I told you, the $200, you get that every year. The third award is when you cap. So I mentioned in pillar 1 at 16,000 gross commissions to eXp, you will cap and you'll be 100% for the rest of the year. So basically, when that happens, they give you another stock award, another free stock award of $400. That happens every year. You cap to buy the stock at a 10% discount. So you can see here how this is all adding up. And the last one is pretty awesome. The fourth way to earn stock is by becoming an icon agent. Your icon journey starts once you've capped. So once you're on 100% commission, your icon journey starts. And how to icon and to get the stock award is not easy in some markets and easier in others. We'll just say that. But you have to close 20 transactions at a deal fee of $285 after you've capped. Once you've done that, you have paid eXp $5,700 in deal fees on those 20 transactions. $285 a deal times 20 transactions equals 5,700. Once you've done that, you have earned your fourth stock award. eXp will give you back your $16,000 cap towards the purchase of stock at a 10% discount for iconing. Who does that? So, and it's unbelievable because this award comes with mentorship. So as you icon, you also have to give back to the other agents who are not iconing. And that is by going into eXp world and doing educational seminars to give people advice and guidance on how to do that. I mean, how awesome is that? I get to go into a free training seminar with these like-minded individuals who have kicked ass in our industry and learn how they did it for free. I mean, they're just collaborating and giving this information away, which is why the culture is so cool, guys. And conversations happen every Friday. So there's 4 ways to earn stock awards. 1, you close your first deal. 2, someone you introduce has closed their first deal. 3, you cap. And 4, you icon. Now, the 5th way is voluntary, and that is the stock agent equity program. So basically how that works is like this, and this is awesome. I've been with this company for a year, and I have a $60,000 plus US dollar stock portfolio because not only of the 4 awards we just talked about, but because of the agent equity program. So here's how it works. This is amazing. eXp will take 5% of your gross commission and buy the stock at a 10% discount on every time you get paid. Every time. And you don't even see it come off. It's crazy. And once the stock starts growing, which it did this year, 500%, I think it was $7 in March, and now it's 119. So you do the math. It's pretty amazing. You have this growth, this portfolio, this wealth, and you can use that wealth to do things. You can pull it out. You get taxed on it, but you can pull it out and use it to do things that you want to do, whether it's buy a house, buy a car, take a vacation, whatever. It's way better. Those awards and that agent equity program is way better than receiving a nice framed award for the year, I would say. I mean, if I had $60,000 a year for the past 16 years in stock, do the math, guys, and it's only going to be going up and up and up because we're doing some pretty awesome things. So the stock is unreal. No other company offers this. No other company offers this. So I've covered 2 pillars. Number 1, chasing buyers and sellers and competing for transactions like every other broker does. And number 2 is the stock. Those are the 2 I've covered. And now I'm going to go into the 3rd one. I'm an entrepreneur. I love the entrepreneur mindset. This 3rd pillar is the reason why I had my epiphany to join this company. I didn't even think twice about it. And it's because of one thing. It's because I love people and I love to coach. That's why this was attractive to me. The 3rd pillar is revenue share. Now, in the past year, I've introduced this company to a number of people. A number of people have come on with me, and I'm grateful to all of you, and I hope you are enjoying our time together because I enjoy it. I love giving back to you. I love helping you succeed. You getting a deal done is the best thing that I can experience, better than anything. I love it. It's so rewarding. So basically, what happens with revenue share is when you introduce somebody to the company, then they sell a house. If they sell their first house, you get $400 of stock at a 10% discount, as we described in Pillar 2. But you also get paid when they sell a house. 3.5% of their commission in line 1. There's 7 lines, and they all are amazing. I mean, it's cool, but there's 7 levels of this structure. Now, I will say that in the past, I've had, oh, it sounds like an MLM. And my comment to that is absolutely it is. It only works if people sell real estate. It's all legit. And if it's a scam, it's because you don't understand it if you think it's a scam. That's all I can say about that. Dig a little deeper, ask a few more questions, because this is your exit strategy. If you want to, you don't have to do the revenue share if you work at eXp. You really don't. It's an option. And what I tell the guys in my team is this: if you want to introduce somebody to our great company and you don't really understand how to do it, just pass me the football and I will introduce it to them with you there so you can understand this as well and get better at it. I'm going to teach you how to do this, and I will get them to sign up under you so you can start building your future and your exit strategy. Wouldn't it be nice to have an extra $10, $15, $20, $30,000 coming in a month without selling a house? And all you got to do is invest in your people that are in your line to make sure they have the tools required to do the job. This is how it works. Now, I will say to you, I am active in the buying and selling and chasing transactions. Some of these guys are not. They don't sell real estate. And for some people, that's okay. But for some, they really want to work with somebody who is active in selling real estate. So if that's important to you, make sure you ask any realtor that you're dealing with that's from eXp trying to secure you into their group how many deals they did last year. Because you're not going to learn the business of real estate from a recruiter. You're going to learn the business of real estate from somebody who is actively in the business. So the revenue share is amazing. So let's dig a little bit deeper into how it works. There's 7 levels to the rev share, 1 through 7. Each level is opened by having a certain number of people in your line 1 only. So if you have 5 people in line 1, it opens up line 2. If you have 10 people in line 1, it opens up line 3. If you have 15 people in line 1, it opens up line 4, and so on and so forth down to line 7. Each line pays a different amount per agent. We'll start with the first 2. So the first line pays $2,800 per agent. The second line pays $3,200 per agent. Now, when I say it pays $3,200 per agent, when they cap, $16,000 cap, that's it. You don't make any more money off that agent. They're on 100% commission. The reason why is this: eXp pays you out of the 20% of the 80-20. So when they're on 100% commission, there's no more 20% to pay you, so it ends. Now, your person in your line doesn't have to sell 80 or earn $80,000 in GCI. They can earn 40. You'll still make money off them. My point is this: you make money up into the time they cap. Once they cap, you're done. You don't make any more money off them. That goes the same for line 1, line 2, line 3, down to line 7. It's the same. This is pretty amazing because I always say this: people in your line are only as good as you, the sponsor, me in this case. So if I'm not taking the time to invest in my people and educate them on all things real estate, I can't expect big results for them. And if I am investing all that time with them and they're not producing, then something's wrong on their end, and we need to figure that out. And we have accountability groups, guys, and they're amazing. We hold everyone in our group accountable to what we want them to do and what they want to do, more importantly, because that's how we grow ourselves, by being accountable to one another. I have accountability partners. I'm accountable to the group. I got to deliver. If somebody asks me to do something for them, I got to be there. Why? This is a time-sensitive business, guys. It's very time-sensitive. So I make sure that I'm there for all my guys. And I'm grooming them all so that they can be there for all their guys. So I don't have to be there for their guys down to line 7. I will be if I need to be, but right now, I'm grooming everybody so that they're comfortable, so that when they build their own wealth exit revenue share line, they're able to do it with ease. And they always have me as a resource. And they always have my sponsor, Sean, as a resource. We're resources for everybody. Value, value, value. That's how we work. So anyways, if you want to find out more on how these 3 pillars can help you, I would love to chat with you. I want to know about your business, what you're struggling with. If you're in a lull, if you need a kick in the ass, if you just want some direction or understanding, let's connect, man. Or woman, I love connecting with people and learning about their business and learning about their lives. It's fascinating to me because I know there's a solution to help them. So give me a call, numbers below if you want to chat. Don't forget, guys, Realtor Success Mastermind, it's down below. You can click on that, answer the 3 questions, and we'll let you into some amazing, thriving content. I hope you enjoyed this, a brief explanation on the 3 pillars of income for eXp Realty, the model. I'm super excited. My first year is up, and I crushed it. And I'm about to crush year 2. I'm going to destroy year 1. So all the best, you guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care.